Hey everyone, we're here with Scott Rasmussen, President of Quality Edge here in Walker, Michigan, talking about Soffit and the why of what we do here at Quality Edge.
You know, we have full vent soffit that was designed differently than everybody else's.
Yes.
By having consistent ventilation.
Yes.
And 4 times what anybody else had ever done. Everybody said, why another full vent soffit? We found that there were no products that had enough net-free area to actually work with a ridge vent. We were the first to come out with concealed ventilation, the first to use a micro lance, right? So here you have holes all over the surface. Here we were able to use micro lances, provide twice as much net-free area with half the visible vents, right? With fewer visible vents.
It's that simple. So that about sums it up. Here at Quality Edge, we've turned the soffit market upside down by creating the most innovative, effective, scientifically functional soffit products you'll find anywhere.